Welcome, taco lovers, to another sizzling adventure in the world of griddle cooking. Today, we're about to embark on a culinary journey that will leave your taste buds begging for more. Get ready to witness the mouth-watering magic as we transform the humble tortilla and flavorful fillings into the ultimate griddle tacos. From the sizzle of the hot griddle to the irresistible aroma wafting through the air, we're about to unlock secrets to creating taco perfection right at home. So grab your aprons, fire up your griddles, and join us as we dive headfirst into the art of cooking tacos on a griddle. Let's taco about it. But first, let's prep some ingredients, starting with chopping up a green onion and half of one white onion. For the meat, I'm using some chicken tenders that I cut up into small pieces and marinated for about 24 hours. A lovely blend of shredded Mexican cheeses. Make sure you have some flour tortillas. They're pretty important for this recipe. Last but not least, we're going to top these off with some fresh cilantro. All right, let's get this griddle heated up. I have the knobs for the burners set as shown. The right burner will be off. I'll just be using that side to keep cooked items warm. And the left side, where I'm going to start cooking the chicken, I want at around 400. All right, I'm sitting at around 389. That's close enough for me. Let's get this chicken started. I'm going to throw down a little grapeseed oil. Okay, and we are officially off to the races. The chicken should only take about 9 or 10 minutes to cook. Cooking times could vary based on size of the chicken pieces and temperature of the griddle. If you want to play it safe, get a meat thermometer and make sure that the chicken reaches an internal temperature of at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, that chicken's nicely browned. It's time to move it over to the side and move on to the next step. Next, we're going to toss down some more grapeseed oil and saute these onions. After you get them done to your likeness, dump some green onions on top of them and just cook for a minute or two. All right, these onions look good. Let's file them to the side and move on to phase 3. Remember at the beginning of the video when I said we're going to unlock the secret to creating taco perfection at home? Well, here it is. The secret would be to cook the tortilla over some fried cheese. Here, let me show you. All right, you just lay down some cheese in a circle about the size of the tortilla. Then you throw the tortillas on top of the cheese. Then give the tortillas a light smash. I'm using a burger press here, but a spatula would have worked just fine. After about 2 minutes from when the cheese initially hit the griddle, give these tortillas a flip. And they should look a little something like this. Your tortillas are now infused with cheesy goodness. And it's going to have a nice little crisp texture. All right, we're going to place these bad boys in a couple of taco racks. And we're going to make a few tortillas the old-fashioned way. Just heating them up for about 30 seconds on each side. Alrighty, these tortillas are finished. Let's stuff them with all of our ingredients now. Last but not least, let's add a little cilantro. And that's a wrap on our griddle taco extravaganza. I hope you enjoyed this sizzling adventure as much as I did. Remember, with a hot griddle, some delicious ingredients, and a sprinkle of creativity, you can transform any mealtime into a fiesta. And don't forget to share your culinary triumphs with friends and family, because after all, tacos are meant to be shared and savored together.